My name is Tristan. I am 45 years old. I live a quiet life. I live alone in a small apartment. I am poor. I work in a small shop. I never married. I have no children. My life is simple. But I had one great love. One true love. Her name was Jully. I was 25 years old then. I was young, poor, and had no money. I worked in a small kitchen. But I was happy. I loved Jully. She was not like me. She came from the richest family in our city. Her father owned big banks and many buildings. Jully was beautiful and kind. She did not care about money. She loved me. I was just a poor boy, but she loved me. Our love was a secret. We met in the park. We also met in small coffee shops. We were very happy together. But one day, her father found out. His name was Mr. Blackwood. He was a strong and very cold man. He hated me. He thought I was bad for Jully. He thought I only wanted their money. He thought I was a gold digger. One day he called me. A black car came to my house. A man in a suit said, "Mr. Blackwood wants to see you." Now, I went to his big office. The office was huge, bigger than my whole house. He sat behind a large black desk. He did not smile. He did not stand up. He just looked at me. His eyes were cold like ice. He did not say hello. He opened a drawer and took out money. A lot of money. It was cash. He put $50,000 on the desk. My heart was beating very fast. I was scared. Mr. Blackwood said, "This is $50,000. It is for you." I was confused. I asked, "For me? Why?" His voice was cold. "Take this money," he said. "Leave my daughter. Go out of her life. Leave this city. Never come back." I looked at the money. $50,000. More than my father ever saw in his life. A mountain of money. I looked at him. He was waiting. I thought about Jully. My beautiful, kind Jully. I loved her. She was my life. I did not want to leave her. My heart was breaking. But I also thought about my mother, Margaret. She was very sick. She had cancer. Doctors and medicine were very expensive. We had no money. I had a terrible choice. My love or my mother. My heart or my mother's life. I looked at the money. I looked at the cold man. I made my choice. I sold my love. I took the money. I put the big envelope in my old bag. I did not say, "Thank you." I did not say, "Goodbye." I just looked at him. I felt dead inside. I turned and walked out of his office. I was a bad man. I sold my heart. I did not see Jully. I could not tell her anything. I just left. I bought a bus ticket and left the city that night. I was a coward. But my mother got her medicine. 2 days later, my phone rang. It was Jully. She was crying and shouting. Her voice was full of pain. She was very angry. "My father told me everything," she shouted. "He gave you money, and you took it. You took the money." I stayed silent. I was at a bus stop in a new, cold city. What can I say? I thought. Jully shouted. I thought you loved me, Tristan. I thought you were different. Her voice was broken. But you are like everyone else. You only wanted my family's money. You only wanted power. You lied. You only thought about yourself. I said nothing. Jully said, I hate you, Tristan. Never call me again. She hung up. My heart broke into 1,000 pieces. 20 years passed. 20 long, quiet, empty years. I never went back to that city. I kept my promise to Mr. Blackwood. I heard news about Jully from old friends. She finished school. She became a doctor. A very good, successful doctor. She helps sick children. She is a good woman. She got married. Her husband is rich and a doctor. A man her father liked. She has a family now. 2 children. A big, beautiful house. She is very happy without me. And me. I am still poor. I work in a small shop. I sell books. I live alone. I have no wife. I have no children. I never loved again. I could not. My heart was old and broken. My heart was still with Jully. Sometimes at night I think about her. Her beautiful smile. Her sad eyes. I know she hates me. She thinks I am a bad man. A gold digger. She is right. I took the money. I am a lonely man. I sit in my quiet room. I read books. I drink cheap coffee. My life is very small. Very empty. I am 45 years old. I am an old, lonely man. My life feels over. Yesterday, I visited my mother. Margaret lives in a small, clean house. A nice house. I bought it for her. She is 70 now, but healthy and strong. I went to her house. She was in the kitchen, cooking my favorite food, singing a happy song. She saw me and smiled. Her smile was the best in the world. Full of light. Full of love. She said, "Hello, my son. You are here. I am so happy." She hugged me. Her hug was warm. I sat at her table. She gave me a big plate of hot food. Delicious. We talked. We laughed. I was not lonely. I was her son. She smiled. She laughed. She was alive. The doctors said she would die. They said there was no hope. But she lived. I looked at her happy, healthy face. I remembered Mr. Blackwood's cold office. The mountain of money. The choice I made. I sold my love. I sold my future. I sold Jully. Jully still hates me. She thinks I am selfish and a liar. But I look at my mother's happy face. I hear her strong, healthy heart. I know I made the right choice. I lost my love, but I saved my mother. It was a good trade.
Thank you so much for watching this story. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video if you found it meaningful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories. Your support helps me create more new content. Share this video with someone who might enjoy it. Stay connected for more emotional and inspiring stories. See you in the next story.